Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2015 PX Ford Ranger XLS dual cab. This shape ran from the 6-month 2011 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the factory tow bar. We have the left-hand fog light. We have the left-hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.